Magician, make sure to type bingo bango in the chat. Domination, elevation, initiation, mitigation, continuation, summaration, revelation, notification, prognification, nullification, nullification, modification, fortification, unification, purification, replication, duplication, overstimulation, annihilation, accumulation, accumulation, continuation, 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 elevation, domination, mitigation, initiation, transformation, detonation, celebration, elevation, illumination, liberation, concentration, orchestration, organization, manifestation, observation, confirmation, acceleration, articulation, regulation, fluctuation, circulation, vegetation, legislation, orchestration, oscillation, penetration, constellation, motivation, revitalization, synchronization, modernization, visualization, operation, calibration, reverberation, meditation, levitation, infiltration, escalation, accumulation, continuation, initiation, mitigation, transformation, radiation, domination, elevation, celebration, vibration, liberation, illumination, continuation, continuation, elevation, dominant levelation, total detonation, generation, transformation. Trade intuition, the chart magician, make sure to type bingo bango in the chat. Domination, elevation, initiation, mitigation, continuation, summaration, revelation, notification, prognification, nullification, nullification, modification, fortification, unification.
All right, guys, let's go in 3, 2, and a 1. A bingo and a bango. I say bingo bango. Where's my camera? There I am. What's going on, guys? All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it. And we're getting our steps in. I am at 1.4 instead of 1.2 on the speed. So I'm doing 1.4. Some of you guys in here, we just finished watching JR. Oh, that's not JR. JR right here. The Art of Crypto. Great setups, great show. Having to catch it and amazing. So shout out to the Art of Crypto with JR. Very nice. Let us look at the crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles. If I have any admins in here, if we can put that link in the chat, I'd appreciate it for JR. Crypto bubbles on the hourly. Holy smokes, we're green. Does that mean we're going up for Bitcoin? We'll find out in just a moment. On the daily, not so much. 2Z, whatever, up 10.3%. Everything else, kind of meh. Let's go to the Fear and Greed Index for the crypto 20. It's pretty much the same as I believe earlier today. We did 2 bonus streams this morning or this afternoon. We did one at 12. Then YouTube rugged me, and I was talking for like 20 minutes, reading the chat and everything. And they're saying rugged and everything else. I'm thinking because they were saying that the stream was lagging, so I'm thinking that's what they're talking about. And then I go in and find out that the actual show stopped. It's like, oh. So then we started another one. So I did 2 hours of steps earlier today. And we're looking forward to do another hour right now. Let's go. 1.4 on the speed. I did 1.4 earlier and I did not pass out. So that's good. It would be funny if I passed out on the stream. I think it'd be funny if I fell. I almost fell the other day. I was talking with my hands. I lost my balance. That was funny. 24 hour. Changing the liquidity threshold to 0.6. We're going to say hi to everybody in just a moment. Let's see here. We also have this on here. Thanks to JR as well. Not JR, Al. I'll tell us about the 0.6 and this liquidity heat map or liquidity map. For the liquidations, this is what I talk about all the time. We are coming up. First, we came up, we took this liquidity. Very nice. How does liquidity get on the chart in the first place? Well, it's whenever we're putting stop losses. Like say, we started coming down, people start putting shorts in. They have their stop losses above the wick. And sure enough, we took it. Then we have this area right here. Prices going up and up and up really fast. Looks like it's gonna get this. So people who trade liquidity, they see that and they'll go hard. They'll put more leverage than they're supposed to, or what their risk tolerance allows them. They'll also do higher margin, higher leverage, and it's going, and then it reverses. Just because it's there does not mean we're going definitely to it. We have a higher chance once we broke this level. Trade this mini level, broke this zone, but because we broke the zone, we're closer to it. Doesn't mean that we will hit it. It just means that we're closer. So the odds of hitting it is greater, but it doesn't mean that we will. Look what happened. Start coming down. And I bet you a bunch of people got their stops hit, depending on how much leverage they were using. And now it continue coming down. Does it mean that we will not go here? No. We can easily, from here, come up and tap it. So just to let you know, as price goes up, liquidations are being built to the downside. Everybody stop losses. As price goes down, liquidations are built to the upside. So the market makers, depending on which way they want to take it, they'll push it there. So this is why I trade level by level. All right. Joe, you're out of breath already. Kind of. Let's see here. We got Chris in the house. What's up, Chris? Appreciate you, man, being here. Thank you. Smashing the like. See here. We got JR in the house. Amazing show, dude. Like I said, you're a natural, bro. You straight up natural. When I started streaming first, man, I was making a lot of mistakes. Not saying that I'm professional now. I still need to, mess with a bunch of stuff, but it is what it is. But yeah, you're natural, dude. See here. Nailed the schedule. I'm surprised you remembered. Like, I'm watching you, and it's like, oh crap, I lost track of time. It's like, oh crap, I gotta turn on the other computer. I gotta turn on the lights, camera, the whole nine. And so I'm getting it set up.
Energy on his donated $4.99.
Wow. Thank you, Alexander G. You're the best. And I was like, oh crap, I gotta come over here and turn on everything. So I turn on everything. As I'm doing it, you're like, oh, it's already 7 o'clock. We gotta go to Joe's stream. I was like, dude, remember? Wow. So thanks, brother. Appreciate you. So here, a bingo and a bango. Thank you, guys. Wix Wi-Fi 89 in the house. What's going on? Oh yeah, definitely, man. Same. Here, going on the list. We got Calipent in the house. What's going on, Kelly? Appreciate you being here. Thank you. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, issues, please let me know. If you want me to turn the treadmill to 1.2, let me know, please. Let me know. I got it at 1.4. Let's go. Let's see here. Joe's working hard. It'll pay off. Yeah, definitely. Update. I made my chicken soup. It was good. Not as good as I thought it was gonna be, but I really didn't put any spices or anything. But it was good. A lot of chicken, and that's because I only put half of what I bought. lots of chicken. And thank you, Mark, because what I was gonna do, I was gonna saute the chicken like I did the beef. Mark's like, no, just put it in there, let it cook. And of course today, like a nerd, because I don't know how to cook, watched like 3 videos. One video said put it in there for, I think it's 7 minutes. Another video said 30 for the chicken. I was like, oh, that's a big discrepancy. Another one said 35. No, 25, I think. I said, I'm gonna go 35 because I don't eat no raw chicken. And it was good. It was good. It wasn't great though, but it was pretty good. I didn't have a lot of stuff in there. I thought I had onions and everything else from the last time. I just had carrots. I had squash. It was good. Ooh, that squash was good. And corn. But tomorrow, I'll probably buy some onions. I didn't have celery in there. Green onions though. Chopped up some green onions. It was pretty good. So here. Oh yeah, no problem. I'm not sure if somebody did it already. But let me go and put it here. Yeah, so definitely check out JR. Subscribe to him, all that fun stuff. Put out some real alpha. So that's that. Let's go to liquidations. Okay. Another list. Okay. Oh, cool. Alexander G's got us. Thank you for that. And thank you, Alexander G, for the super chat. You're the best. Thank you very much. Okay. Oh, and I think the music's too loud. Let me turn it down. There we go. I was listening to it earlier. I was like, I think the music is a little too loud. Listen here. Catch in the chat really quick, and then we're gonna get back to it. Let's see here. Mark says, Joe working out. He is survival thermoclose. Yeah. I'm layered up, man. I just came from the outside. I was outside watching the stream. Came inside. Finished up watching the stream on for JR. And so I'll probably be taking off my jacket a little bit. And then oh yeah, and let me see. I adjusted this earlier because it was lighter. So I had to adjust. Let's see. Maybe. Wait. What is this? Okay. Let's see here. And Jared's wearing shorts. Yes, I saw you going earlier on this show. Okay. Hey, we got Crypto Changed Me in the house. Talking about him earlier on the shows. Oh, I took it off because so Crypto Changed Me. Another great trader. Everybody's got to watch. There's a lot of great traders I have on here. And some I watch to teach people what not to do. So there's that. Definitely check out. And he pumped up his numbers hard too. Dude's gonna be big, man. This guy right here, it's gonna be big. So definitely follow him as well. Let's see here. Going down the list. Yeah, I can see you're taking it seriously, man. Like I said, you're a natural. You really are. Boom! I made the live stream. Let's go. So yeah, if you have any questions, any coins you want me to do, let me know. Here. Slow and steady wins the race. Yeah, that's for sure. Okay, Instapot. Yeah, I did it in the Instapot. So I bought an Instapot. It was the Black Friday deals or whatever. I bought the medium size one. Not the large one, not the small one, but the medium-sized one. And I did beef stew for Thanksgiving. Oh, so good. Then I did beef stew again the following week. So good. And then this time it's like, I don't want to do beef stew. I've done that twice already. Let me try chicken soup. And I did the chicken. It came out good. But I think it would have been better if I would have onions and I think just onions. I don't know. But I've got too much chicken though. But I'll make some more later. Joe's getting there. Let's go. So here, going to the list. Yeah, consistency. Definitely. I've been doing this treadmill now for like 2 months. I just put the camera on here on this stand-up desk one about a week or two ago, I guess. But I've been doing it for like 2 months, maybe even 3 months now. And if I don't do, oh, now it's getting warm. If I don't, I was doing it in the morning on Alexo Crypto show. And that's why it was really hard for me to type. But now I'm getting used to it. Because I'd be like, whoa, 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 falling down, whoa. And now, let me take this off too. Now I'm getting used to it. But then I started getting real busy in the morning. And then I'm thinking, well, I'm going to be on the live stream for an hour. Just do my steps then. I was afraid of passing out though. Not going to lie. Here, going to the list. I like slow roasting chicken. Ooh. That sounds delicious. And for me, I like doing stuff in the oven. It's easy, you put it in, take it out. So this Instant Pot is perfect for me. Perfect. I bought a book with recipes too. Like a nerd. I'm a nerd. It was either getting married so that I could start eating again, because one of the qualifications is you got to know how to cook. First one, I made a mistake. She didn't know how. Second one, she tried her best. And she really tried her best. The third one, oh my gosh. She could freaking cook. I think I fell in love with her when one morning she made eggs. She called them buttery eggs. She put a crap load of butter in them, I guess. And this one we were like barely dating, you know. She made breakfast for the kids, and then breakfast, you know, for me. And I was like, what in the world? And she's like, it's buttery eggs. And I was like, man, this is so, and she's like, Joe, behave. Don't act like you've never ate eggs before. I said, not like this. I said, I think I'm in love. This one we're like barely dating. Or I wouldn't know. I don't think we were even dating. I guess we can call it dating. More like hanging out. But man, I fell in love. I said, I think I love you. Hey, Joe, shut up. I said, okay. But man, it was so good. She could cook. She was a great cook. See here. Oh yeah, it's all good, brother. It's all good. Joe, can you share the Discord link for Chris? Oh, can y'all put the Discord link in? It's in the link tree. That one, it has the Discord link that's permanent. It doesn't expire. Oh, and look at that with his wife. They're the best. See here. Yeah, for me, I really don't like Discord. But I do it because a lot of people are on there. I love Telegram. Telegram because I can put stuff in folders. Makes it really easy. So let's say I want to look at chat or charts or whatever. So put them in folders. So yeah, it makes it easy. See here. Stefan Farn, what's up, man? What's going on? Appreciate you, man, being here. Like I said, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, issues, coins you want me to look at, let me know. We're gonna get to crypto just a second. Man, I'm way behind. Okay, I'm gonna go through pretty fast. Oh man, beef stew, it was delicious. Instapot, game changer, yeah. I told my co-workers, like, I think on the second time I made beef stew, because they know I don't cook, and I tell them I don't know anything about meat. I don't know how to cook. I told them, I said, man, I made beef stew again, a world famous beef stew. It's amazing. I've already written 3 books on how to cook. I'm a professional chef. I have my own cooking channel now on YouTube. I'm going on a tour to show people how to. They're like, Joe, you're silly. But yeah. Uh-oh. See here. In the list. Okay. Checking chat, almost done. The list. Hey, we got Duality C in the house. What's up, brother? Appreciate you, man. Okay. Discord has folders too. I can. Mark, we gotta talk, man. Can I put people's Discord's channels into its own folder, so I don't have to go through all of the channels? I can just go through the folders. If so, I need to do that. That will change my mind on Discord. The fact that Discord wants me to pay if I do over a 40-second video, I don't like. Because I do a lot of videos for my group. But okay, all right. So we're all caught up. Appreciate the chat. I love seeing the chat flowing. That's called engagement. YouTube loves it. So 12-hour, same scenario. Nice liquidity down here. I'm probably sure we're going to tap this first before going down, but we're going to look at the Bitcoin chart just a moment. The CME gap, where's that at? This is a 3-day. Really nice liquidations right here. 43 million. Boring. You can probably find that on your sofa, your chair, your couch. 43 million. You know, make it like 100 million. Now we're talking. We have some nice areas for the top side. Also on the bottom side. Let's go a little bit further. Let's go 2 weeks. Let me see. Come on. Ooh, nice. On the very top. Lots up here. Which is, I mean, just makes sense. And eventually we, in my opinion, I think we will come up here. And these are the levels that we're looking at. We're going to show that right after this chart. This is Clash. We have people who ask about Clash. Price came down, which we thought. Came up, got rejected here. Coming down. I thought for sure here, this is on the 4-hour time frame, we're going to break up. Didn't. We're still under this 0.02346. We need to break above it, find support on it, break this level. Once we break the pivot, then we can enter the trade. Until we break the pivot, it's high risk, in my opinion. 89. Wow. Thank you, Kelly. Let's look at a Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 89. Did it take it already? We got this wick right here. They probably took it. All right, so let's look at our thought process. And this is why I love using the path tool, because 1, it shows you the thought process, and 2, the next day or later on, several hours later, we can look to see if it played out or if we were completely wrong. So just to kind of refresh everybody's memory, plan A from here, come down, possibly bounce in this area. We had 3 zones. Come up, start breaking the highs. Let's go. We did come down here. We tried to bounce. This was my other area, plan B. This is what I really wanted to see. It pulled back to 0.5. However, because we made this very bullish move, I thought we would only retrace to the 382 before coming up. However, it pulled back very healthy 0.5. Then there's way too much stuff here. Then we were looking at it right here. I said, man, it doesn't look strong. This was, I think, day before yesterday. Doesn't look strong. Looks really weak. You know, it came down, came up, came down, came up, looking really weak. We had our level that it needs to break right here. It did break it, but dancing on the line, came down, came up, then it broke the level again, the new one. And again, it's looking weak. So here, I don't know which way it's gonna go, but this is what I'm thinking we might do if we break this level, which we were dancing on it, came back in, finally broke out of it, came back. We definitely don't want the break of 89,177. Came down here, no candle closes on the hour, which was good. Coming here, now we're here. Now I'm thinking from here, potentially go up before coming down. What do? We went up before coming down. Then I'm thinking we're gonna break below it just to get all these people who are going long, just to liquidate them, just so that market makers can be jerk faces. Here, we're talking about all these circles. I had more circles here showing areas of shorts. People where they're having shorts and putting their stop losses. Sure enough, price came down, came up. This is our decision point. We're gonna come up to take out all these liquidity stop losses or roll over. We ended up going up. What we did, we went up. But when we pulled back, jerk faces, boom, all the way down, taking all of these people out. And then everybody's going short. We didn't go short. Here's where I would have gone short. We're talking about that on earlier stream. Here's how I would have been short. So one thing with me, because I have nothing to sell you, I tell you when I would have entered a trade, even though it would have lost. Here, beautiful short. Level we don't want to break. It broke this lower level as well. Beautiful short. I would have taken profit though. We went over that earlier, the bonus stream. I would have moved my stop loss too. Excuse me. Let me get some water. All right. How would I have done this? 3-minute time frame. We see this huge drop. So we broke this. Where are my levels at? So here's our red line. We went up, we came down, we broke this. So I would have used this as my entry. I would not have entered here because it dropped so hard. I would think that we would come up. Now, I'm not saying this because I see what happened. This is verify that I talk about all this stuff. When it moves really fast, I think we're going to come up, possibly retest this to come down. Or this is what I'm looking at. Because it dumped so hard, I'm not entering it short now. I'm expecting it to come up to about here. This about 50%, maybe even the golden pocket, measuring from the top to the bottom. Then come down. This is our decision point. We're going to come up to attack this level, break this red line, probably retest and continue, or are we going to roll over? So when I see, if I was looking at this to short or to trade really, if I see it come up to almost here, but now breaks this level, now I'm shorting. See how I did that? I'm not saying that because of what happened. This is how I trade. And this could have easily come up. Got liquidated, got stopped out, whatever. Okay. but I was gonna short, and then it dumps really hard. I'm not expecting it to dump. Because of that, my stop loss is right here. I get my stop loss, I move it down, keeps on going. I took my first profit around here. This is where I took my profit, right here. It was very aggressively. I continue, move my stop loss. It comes up, comes down. Great, I put my stop loss perfectly. Or let's just say it was here. I see it come up, come down. Now I don't want to break in this, because if it breaks this, there's a high chance that it could potentially come up here, then do that, break this, beautiful, or I could do this. So because of this, I want to get my stop loss a little bit tight. I get stopped out. Okay, if it breaks this level now, I go short with the anticipation that we could come down here and then lower. And this is how I trade. And instead we went up, boom. Okay, I get stopped out. I went over this all on the other stream, but I do like teaching though. So here, this earlier today, I think we're on the hour time frame. The price was coming up, and we are to a possible pullback, but this could also just go to the moon. I don't know. I don't know the future. I do know that we're at the close to the top of our box, so the likelihood of pulling back has just increased. We're at resistance. We made a really nice move with no pullback. I'm not entering. So it actually moved 1% when we were on the stream, and a total of 1.1% before me coming down. This is why I did not enter the long, for that reason. Those two main reasons. Came down here. If we were watching this, it'd have to break this level for me to enter. Break this level and here. We could have entered, and I would have if I was looking at it. Entered here. I might stop, depending on how much leverage I was using, underneath one of these lows, but I'd give it a little bit of a breather, just in case market makers. And then we come up. Would I enter a trade right now? Long? No. I don't like this price action. Could we go up? Sure, 100%. But look at this. Up, down. Great. Up, down. Perfect. Up, down. Love it. This, I don't like. Up, kind of, ish. I don't like it. To me, this looks like it's losing momentum for a potential short. Needs to break this level, 90.850. Breaks this level, we can enter a short with our targets, not much, but our targets, let me do a box. Our target, and I don't do like huge boxes. Down here, about 90.4. Yeah, 90.4. Our next level that we would aim for is right here. So we would do right here. And our next target, so I mean, it's not a big move. Next target, I don't think we'll come down this low, but something like that. So the targets, maybe here, and this is not an official setup, so don't think it's official setup. Just do it like this. This one, because we didn't break yet. Here. And here. what I'm thinking. That's if close underneath this. Now the lower the time frame, and I'll check the chat in just a second, guys. Kind of got away from the chat, but that's only if we close in here. Now, if we close on the 3-minute time frame, because it's a small time frame, we have a better opportunity to get in faster. Now, because we're getting in faster, well, the likelihood of it being a fake out has just increased. If you want to reduce your risk, go to 15-minute. On the 15-minute, this is our level. Here. Now, let me pull the fib retracement from the low to the high. Oop. Low to... Joe, are you taking a poop? No, I gotta kind of squat when I'm doing this. It didn't even pull back to the 382. I'd like the minimum retracement to be the 382, which would be 90.665. But it didn't retrace it. Could it go up from here? Sure. I just don't like it though, because the higher it goes without having a reasonable retrace, the faster it can come down. Exhibit A. So it's crack. Oh man, is it rugging again? If it rugs again, that sucks. Man, it better not be. I better not get rugged again. I have everything the same. Nothing's changed. Man, I really hope it doesn't break that stream. Now, let's see here. Dina, you says, little pump would be great, but it takes the dumps as they come. Yep. But I take the dumps as they come. Yep. Okay. Let me know if I'm still lagging. Cutting out or just me? Dang it, that's at 33, 7 minutes ago. Yeah, no, I'm hardwired in. The only thing I have Wi-Fi is my phone. Sucks, man. No audio on YouTube. Try refreshing the page. It really sucks. Never mind, had to reload. Okay. Reloading all the audio. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Here. Very nice. Here, Lurkin. Melissa, appreciate you. Okay, so let me know if the video's back, if the stream's good. It says I dropped frames, 55 frames. And I'm tired. I was gonna take a nap. I get 6. I said no, because I might not wake up at 8. Which was good because I was able to see JR stream. Let's see here. So we took Hyper Liquid on YouTube. Did we take this on YouTube? Or is it my VIP? No, YouTube. Okay. So we took it here. I did a video about it. I posted it on YouTube as well. Moving up our stop loss. So here's the thing, guys. Watch the videos. Make sure the notification bell's on. Price was here. And I'm like, You know, because we did this level, now this is the level we don't want to break. So we move up our stop loss. And sure enough, if we didn't move it, we would have been stopped out. So we would have lost more money. Now, I was actually recording another video for my VIP group. And the price came down. And it looked like it was going to bounce here off of the 0.5. So I jumped in. But it was kind of too late, because after the video and everything, it was showing profit, and then it's like, no, what are you doing? And I had my stop loss about here, and sure enough, it was coming close. It was like, and serious, I'm gonna lose again. For one, nobody likes losing. Two, I have a 3 strikes I'm out rule. So if I would have lost this trade, I can only lose 1 more for the day. Can't trade anymore till the next day. But came down really, really close. Started coming up. I wanted to add to my entry, but I was like, no, because we may go to this box and roll over. I said no. So from here, I took profit at around 45%. I guess here, maybe it was here. I don't think we hit our target yet. I think it was here. So I took profit. Moved up the stop loss to profit, but I didn't update anybody because I didn't repost it. And I don't want to show you like, because it doesn't matter what I do. It matters, making you money, not financial advice. So I'm not gonna say, oh, I moved up my stop loss here because I got in, but I didn't tell anybody. So that doesn't help you. This is what I was looking for. I like seeing the bounce of 0.5. That's why I entered very high risk because there was no confirmation. There was no pivot. Came down, up, down. Break of this, we can enter. Came down, up, break of this, we can enter. If you would have entered here, based on the way I trade, added the break of this, woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. I know it doesn't help anybody, but this is how I trade. And then, of course, if we see a nice, this is a nice move up, and then another nice move up. This is when we want to move up our stop loss. We want to take some profit. Now, granted, okay, yeah, I did post 10x. Now it's coming down. Now, to me, this is a risky trade, but a good one to get in. Stop loss will be very tight. Not even 1%. We'll go 1%. Oh man, if I wasn't in this trade, I'd take it right now. Let's do this. Let's do this. I like how it looks. Plus 1% stop loss. I might close out my trade to take this trade with y'all. Granted, it'll mess up my percentage, but percentage is like, boring. So from here to here is my bounce. Came down to it. I like it. Stop loss. We'll do it underneath this. Do it here. So this would be stop loss. Copy. Now, I needed to break this. Well, it did. No. So it did break it, but barely. So now I need to break this. 30.029. I need to break that for our entry. This is white. Let's do this. So right now we're underneath our VWAP. We're trying to break above our 9 SMA. We broke above it, but we came back down. So my trade will be here. Okay, 1.5. There's stop loss. Stop loss. Breaking a sweat, guys. I'm breaking a sweat. This would be stop loss. Try this one once again. Target, our first target. Good Lord, not the 101. Gosh, sorry. Target. Just over a 1-to-1 ratio. It's just the first target. I do think we're gonna go higher than this. And I'm actually gonna actually going to enter this trade. Okay. Very difficult doing this on treadmill. Big heads up. Okay. So we got 1 minute for the candle to close. I think we're gonna bounce. I really do. Let's kind of zoom out a little bit. 15 minutes. What's the retracement tell us? On the low. I really can't see it. Wait a minute. Beautiful. Pull back to the 3-2. I like it. I just give y'all one target. I like it. I just gotta wait for a break this. Let me catch up on the chat. Okay. Oh, mic's on, right? Yeah, mic's on. I saw Road Dog. Yeah, you don't want to pull a Road Dog. Like, what are you talking? Okay. Chris says, Joe, you don't want to pull a Road Dog and take a nap and wake up late. Nah. Yeah. That's true. There's where's Road Dog at? And then at 11:40 p.m. Like, I'm starting the stream. Like, dude, I can't. It's too late for me. So now we're waiting. We're waiting for it to close above this. Then we have the VWAP right next to it. I think we'll break through it. For now, we're patiently waiting. We're in the 3-minute time frame as well. So let's move this over. Make it look a little fancy. We're always trying to be fancy here. So I'm clicking and I'm holding down Shift so it goes without it being moved. Now, what I don't want to see is I don't want to see this, where we come down, we come up, we come down. I don't want to see that, because then I got to wait for another break of a pivot, whether that happens here at the 0.5 or the 618. I gotta wait. Let's see here. Okay. Me, the best sound effects. That's funny. He's trading anyway. You funny. Trading is when you start a group and give all these very broad terms and then you double talk. If it breaks the 200, we're going up. If it finds the 200, we're going down. And then you're able to buy a Lambo and a nice house and nice watches. Not because you know how to trade, because you have a group. That's what that is. That's trading for you. Moon Day, I haven't seen that one in a long time. We'll look at that one. So we'll keep an eye on this, for this potential setup. Let's set an alert. That would be nice. Set an alert right here, right on our VWAP. Set alert, and actually set the alert I think I'm doing pretty good. I'm at 1.4 speed. Only gone 1.2 normally. I'm at 1.4. Let's go. See, Sin says, break that sweat. I'm actually sweating right now. Normally, when I'm on the treadmill, I know when my hour is coming up because I'll start to sweat. And here I'm barely in. Oh, we're at an hour. Get out of here. Man, time goes by so fast. You guys are nuts. JR says, not me, I have a group and I can trade. No, but yeah, but you're not charging. And even if you do charge, hopefully, even if you do, to learn how to trade, then that's where it's like, But I mean, I get it. Like, I know you have a free group. Road Dog finally started doing like a pay thing. Finally, I've been telling him forever. So that's good. He's got a lot of stuff in his group too. Like a lot of stuff. We're gonna get that bounce right here on our box. If so, I have to go to the other computer. I was gonna set it up on this one. I just keep on. I don't remember until I'm gonna stream. Here, my old boss used to tell me, "Don't worry about sweating. Just think every drop of sweat is $1. Let's go. Let's go." Yeah, I was gonna join. I don't know what you call them, a gym, I guess. But they went at $55 just for me to apply for them, and then $35 a month. I was like, nah, too much. It was funny when I went in there. It was on Cyber Monday. I went in there. I said, "I'm here for your Black Friday Cyber Monday special." She looked at me like, "What?" So it was worth a shot. How much is it? $55. I said, "Dang, that's a lot." "And how much is it a month?" $35. I said, "I saw on the website it was $25. Oh, we have to go up on prices, the economy, blah, blah, blah." I said, "Man, everything's going up with my paycheck." I said, "All right, I'll just buy the equipment." I forgot how much it cost. I had bought the Total Gym like 5 years ago. At that time, money was whatever. Made so much of it, it was ridiculous. And I go that in Cyber Monday, and the Total Gym was on special. I think it was $450, $550. I was like, I think I'll just stick to walking for now. Maybe another 6 months. Then maybe start doing some weights. But I'm doing this not to lose weight. I'm doing this just so I can move. I do move at work, which is good. But here, since I'm doing the stream, do that as well. Oh yeah, Moon Deck. Sorry, got sidetracked. I was looking at our trade potential. It looks like it wants to. Like it wants to go. YouTube. Look at Moon Deck. I'm sure Jared's interested in your Instapot recipe. Instapot. I love it. Let's see here. Joe, are you hunched over? Yeah, man, I'm trying to type. Moon Deck. There we go. Ooh, sexy. Yeah, that looks good. That looks very sexy. Oh, nice. Let's get rid of our thingamabobs. So huge, massive, manipulated pump, scam wick. Nice retracement. Nice level to not break below. We don't want it to break below. Let's get the actual level. We don't want to break it below 0.08862. Don't want that level to be broken. If we break it, watch out. Go 1 hour, just so we can see more of the ups and downs. Came up, came down, retested this. I like it. What's the percentage? From the bottom to the top, 12%. Okay, not crazy, not super crazy. There you go, homegrown. Let's go. 15 minutes. 15 minutes showing the nice. Man, this looks nice. I haven't traded this one in forever. Broke that level. Even though we have a level here, since it's so close, this will create a zone, and this is the level we need to break. This looks freaking beautiful, man. Here's our bounce. Let's do from here to here. Here we are, bounce zone. If we pull back, I like going all the way across just to see where else. Let's go 3 minute. So I would like to see a pullback. See, but this one has such a low mark cap that it can continue running. I like this part. Stop. What's the percentage of move? Here. 5%, that's nothing. Man, this looks so good. So this one, I would enter right now. I know this is a delay. Blue means enter. I would enter right now. I would have a lower entry down here in case it comes down. It's fine. The percentage is very little if it does come down. This is a banger right here. Only 3%. I'm gonna do 30x leverage. No, do 10x leverage. Let me get into this trade. 10x. Oh, what about my other trade? That one. You know what? While I'm there, where's my pen? Who stole my pen? I have a black pen on a black desk, and I don't see my pen. I gotta write this down. I'm gonna enter this one while I'm over there at the other computer. High risk because we haven't had our alert yet. This one I'm entering. Oh, stop loss. That's important. No, I can't do a 10x. To do a 5x. Stop loss 5x. I mean stop loss. Give me right here. Come on. Joe is moving. I can see that. Here's our stop loss. So let's change this to 5x. Those of you who took a 10x, I apologize. I didn't do a stop loss yet. I did this. I was like, oh yeah, but I forgot that's our lower entry. Let's see here. Copy. If you did a 10x, well then you're in some good profits right now. But just in case it pulls back, I want to be safe. So stop loss. Dirty. I can't get it. Dang it. Like, it's too late for me now. Ah, crap. Oh well. See this other one. I think it's gonna go. So I'm gonna get into this one. So give me a moment. Man, I missed that other one. It happens. And I don't chase coins either. But camera. 1 second. Oh, hype 29.61.9. Oh, I'm already in height. I forgot. Let's see here. Height. So I'm gonna close it out. Height. And I'm gonna re-enter height. I'm gonna enter with y'all. Height. I'm gonna do my stop loss at 29.619. Underneath the VWAP, which is fine. I'll go ahead and enter long with 10x. So I just entered it. And I'm gonna copy this so you know that I just entered it. Hyper liquid. Save it. Just entered hyper liquid. Going back. Okay. Did not fall. Which is good. Back on the treadmill. So hyper liquid. Is it showing this? Yeah. So I just entered it. So see. I think we'll go up. Now granted, I did that without the confirmation. Why did I do that? Oh, just because I think it's gonna go up. We'll see. And look at that. That's one I missed. Because by the time I would have got to the computer, it would have been up here. I didn't move too much. Ooh, Kelly, killing it. Is he trading without us? Oh no, I'm trading with y'all. I'm just letting y'all know what I'm doing, but I have to go to the other computer. I forgot to set it up on this one again. I only remember when I do the streams, but I show that I did enter it. So we'll see what happens. Let's go, Moon Machine. This one, like I said, I missed it. Boop. Kelly did 20x. Good Lord, 15 minutes ago. Nice. Nice entry. So probably around here, break of this. That's nice. Yeah, it's ripping right now. Very true. Very true. All right, so it's 10 o'clock. We've been 1.4 on the speed, which is really good. I didn't pass out. Hopefully this trade plays out. We'll see. And now it's time to go to another streamer. So the way we do this is we come over here, not to that one, not to that one, over here, make this full screen, go to stream settings, edit, customization, come down here to redirect, go to add, and then click in here to see who's live. Now you have to be subscribed to these people, and they have to do it in their settings, JR. They have to do it in their settings to allow redirects. Get with Lunar Beaches. I sent him a message on Discord, and he can forward it to you on how to accept redirects. That'd be good. But we have Lunar Beaches. We have Road Dog. And those are our two we can select from. Who do y'all want to go to? Mark says 20x. I think most people don't use leverage the right way. Yeah, so for me, the way I use leverage, I don't know if it's the right way or not, but the leverage amount doesn't matter. The amount I'm willing to lose matters. So let's say, for instance, just to make simple math, I'm willing to lose $1. That $1, it could be at a 5x leverage, 20x leverage, 100x leverage. But I'm only willing to lose $1. The amount of margin I put in depends on how much I can lose. So does the amount of leverage. So the amount of leverage and the amount of margin, in my opinion, for me, it doesn't matter. Now, if I have a stop loss and let's say it's 3%, I really don't want to trade. I don't want to lose more than 20%. So if my stop loss is 3%, I can do a 7x leverage. If it's 1%, I can do a 15x leverage, 20x leverage. So again, for me, I don't want to lose more than 20%. But that also helps with me determining my leverage amount. But the main factor is how much money will I lose? Because again, the amount of leverage doesn't matter. You could do 100x leverage with $1 because you're willing to lose $1. And if you lose it, well, then you lost $1. Now, the higher the leverage, the faster you can lose your $1. The lower the leverage, the not so fast. But that also depends on how much margin you put in. If you put in a big amount of margin, you can lose that $1 really quick. You put a little bit of margin. Let's say you put a trade for $2 and you're willing to lose one of those dollars. Well, then you can do, like I said, higher leverage, or you can have your stop loss really, really low. Yeah, that's how I do it. Let me know if that makes sense, guys. Let me know if that makes sense. See here. I see it on Streamlabs. No, it's not on Streamlabs. It's on YouTube. The way I just showed how to do it. That's how you redirect to somebody. But on YouTube, in your settings, you have to be able to accept. It's dumb. It's a button you have to push in order to accept redirects. So who do we go to? I didn't see anybody. First one puts it in wins. Or that's where we go to. See here. I'm not making it to another stream tonight. Wiped out. Oh yeah, man, it's all good. Yep, very true. Yeah. I didn't know that about leverage. Like sometimes I'd see people doing 75x leverage. You're like, dude, that's crazy, man. And like, no way. But then I learned, and that's why I trade Bitcoin with 75x leverage. If I'm being safe and boring, I'll do a 30x leverage. But I normally trade Bitcoin 75x. But for example's sake, I'm only willing to risk $1. So, or 50 cents. You know, whatever makes sense to you. See here. Going to the list. Okay. Mark, you know the leverage management tricks. Not many do. Yep. The 2 ways of leverage. Let's see here. I forget what I said. Okay. Oh yeah, and the fees. Thank you. Yeah, so and with leverage, what you're doing is you're borrowing money. So the higher leverage you use, the more money you're borrowing. And not only that, but when you buy something, let's say it's a $20 fee to buy it. When you sell it, $20 fee. So at bare minimum, you have to make $40. So if you make $45 and you close it out, you're like, man, I just made $45. Your account only grew by $5. So again, just using simple numbers. So here, Oh yeah, definitely, man. I'm an 8X man, yeah. 8X is good. So for me, I use less margin, and so I have to increase my leverage. If I had more money trading in the trade, I would definitely use less leverage. Because, for example, the dollar that I'm willing to lose, I wouldn't be able to trade the way I trade. So that all comes into effect. Road Dog's on. Road Dog wins. I'm gonna hop onto Lunar Beaches. Oh, that's cool, man. So let's go, Road Dog. Hopefully, Road Dog sees the comments of Trade Intuition Raid. Make sure to say that, guys. Trade Intuition Raid. We'll be going there. And that's no. Why are you doing this to us? You're coming down. Don't go down. Oh, lower entry. No, I don't. Let's see how this one plays out. How's the moon day going? Okay, pulling back, which is good. Hopefully it bounces here. Hopefully it does this. You're gonna bounce. Give me a chance, Moondag. No, let me take this off. Hopefully it does something like this. Here, go up a little bit more. Come down. Hopefully it does this. That way it gives me a chance to possibly get into this trade. Never mind. We have our own risk management rules, I guess. But that's not how you win, Joe. Well, Mark, we need to talk then. Because like I said, I'm learning, brother. I'm learning. And if you know stuff, share it, please. Share it. Share it in the Discord if you could. Or send it to me on Discord as a DM. That way I can look at it. And maybe I'm doing it completely wrong. But that's how I do it. All right, guys. Thank you so much. And I do hope I hear from you, Mark. Because again, if you could help me out with that, that'd be great. Same thing with you, JR. Again, we're learning from each other. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, as always, let's make this money. And let's get our steps in. Now I just gotta find the off button. Thank you guys so much. Talk to you soon. Trade Intuition Raid. Let's go. There's the off. There's the off button. Here it is.